It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, you are going to learn complete step-by-step on how you can set up your WhatsApp business account without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you can successfully create a WhatsApp business. So without being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. So let's begin. So the first thing you have to do, if you are using Android phone, you have to head over to your Google Play Store right here. But if you are using iPhone, just head over to your iPhone store. So right here, I'm going to make use of Android. I'm going to click on my Google Play Store right here. So once it's open up, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you make use of search bar. Right here, you have to type in WhatsApp, then you click on search. So you are going to have something like this, WhatsApp business. Okay. So what we need to do right here is to click on install. After a successful download, next thing you need to do is to click on enable. Then you have to click on open right here. Click on open. Alright, so at this point here, you have to click on agree and continue. Then it takes you right here. So if you have a WhatsApp on your phone before, what you need to do is to click on use a different number. Then right here, you have to make sure you choose your country, and the next one here is to enter your mobile number. So I'm going to enter my mobile number right up. So after entering your mobile number, next thing you want to do is to click on next. Then if your phone number is correct, what you need to do right here is to click on OK. Then right here, you need to click on continue. Then click on allow. So the number has been verified completely. Next thing you need to do is to click on continue. Then right here, click on allow. Then right here, you can enter your business name. Then having entered your business name, next thing you want to do is to click on here to choose the category. Then choose your business category. Next thing you want to do is to click on next. Boom. So the next thing you want to do right here is to click on not now, so we can equally set up the catalog later. Click on not now. So at this point here, you have successfully created your WhatsApp business. So this is the home page and this is chats. Right here, this is where your status is going to be and your WhatsApp call is going to be here. So let's explore each of the tabs. So you can easily invite your friend to join you on WhatsApp status. All you have to do is to make sure you click on here and send them message from here. And also, you can see right here, having a WhatsApp business, it allows you to create a WhatsApp advert to reach more people. Right here is for your status and the call, things like that. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up your proper profile and how you can create a sales catalog on your WhatsApp business step by step. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe for more tutorial like this about WhatsApp business. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.